There are many ways you can make money online, but not every option is suitable for everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make money online with Canva in 2022 for beginners. Hey there, it's Sabek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I will show you how to make money online and review best digital tools that will be helps your business. So guys, let's see what I will show you today. At first, I can explain what is Canva. Then I will show you how to make money on Canva. And finally, I can explain how you can learn Canva properly. So guys, let's dive in. So what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design platform. If you don't know how to create a design, Canva is perfect for you because they are providing many resources. You can easily create your design, presentation, YouTube banner, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, design ebook cover, Instagram story. You can easily create flyer, card, logo, and many things. If you know how to use Canva properly, you don't need a graphic designer. Also, you can easily make money online with Canva. So guys, how we can make money online on Canva? Go to fiverr.com and search Canva. There are many people sell their service on Fiverr with Canva. I will create any design using Canva. 128 work. I will design editable Canva template for social media. This person complete 90 work. Is there another one? I will design anything in Canva Pro 38 work. I will create Canva Instagram template for a beautiful feed. The 636 work guys. Starting at $50. Starting at $10, $15. Click this person. This person has been worked completely 3486. I will custom design postcard and out Canva. Basic $20, standard $40, and premium $50. This is another person. Work 128 work. I will create any design using Canva. Basic $15, standard $25, and premium $50. This person work 407, complete work 4.9 review. I will design anything on Canva from Instagram post to flyers. Charge start $10, standard $30, premium $60. Let's see guys how much this person can be earned. This person worked 3486. 3486. This person all work is $20. $69,720 this person make generated. So guys, if you know how to make a design with Canva, you can easily sell your service on Fiverr and easily make money online. Another one, we can go to etsy.com and search Canva and go to this person generated 20,218 sale. That's this template. This is the health and wellness Instagram Canva template. Is the $13. Is the another one 24,579 sale. Instagram post template, social media post, social media Instagram post. They create this template using Canva. Let's see guys how much they earned. 24,579 sale into $16. Can you see guys how much the sale generated? 393,264 sale just for one template. This person selling multiple template and others product with itself. Guys, how much people generated with itself using Canva. So guys, if you create design using Canva, you can easily make money online like these people. So guys, how you can learn Canva properly? when you can learn Canva design, you can learn two way. One is free and two is paid. When you can learn free method, you can go to youtube.com and search learn Canva, and you can learning Canva design tutorial. But guys, this is time killing process because you don't know how they can teach you properly and where you can start step by step. You don't know. If you have enough time, you can start free way, but if you have don't enough time, you can buy this course because this is the Canva mastery course. This course can help you how to create design with Canva. In this Canva mastery module, you get 7 module and 1000 template, and you will learn graphic designing principle and basic, Canva brand kit and mastery, designing Instagram graphics on Canva. They can provide 12-hour video, explain module and freelancing using Canva, master Canva grids and how to use them to create advanced design layout, tips and tricks on using Canva efficiently, psychology of design, color and aesthetics, learn to create cool specific special effects, access to all features, lesson and all updates. So guys, you can buy this course just for $19 one-time purchase and lifetime access. You can find this course in my description box. Guys, most people keep watching many video, but they don't take any action. If you don't take any action, ultimately all video is useless for you. So guys, I hope if you follow these tips, you can easily make money online with Canva. I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe if you don't miss my future video. If you know this video is helpful for your friends, don't forget to share this video with your friends who want to start make money online. And also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. So bye guys.